In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset the service light on Mercedes E-Class 2013. To do that, you need to put the key in ignition and turn in position 1, not all the way to switch ignition on, just the position 1. And this is the position 1, and make sure screen shows the mileage and trip mileage. You need to press and hold the button, phone answering button, and within second press and hold the OK button. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Press and hold and then wait for the screen. Yep. It's vehicle data, roller test, assist plus. You need to down arrow button, bring up to assist plus, and then OK. Scroll down to full service. OK. Scroll to confirm service. OK. Now you need to choose the oil grade. You can choose this. OK. Oil grade 229.51. Service carried out. Yes. Scroll down to yes. Press OK. Cannot be undone. Scroll down to confirm. Press OK. Full service completed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.